Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're doing well. Today again I came with a new strategy which is gonna help you a lot in this forex market, where you can easily print the money. As my previous video, I have received a lot of comments and your support, guys. I really appreciate that. There was a lot of questions about the strategy. The people was asking about their stop losses and how they were taking the trade, and how long they can stay in the trade and all these things. But today it's strategy. I'm gonna very simplify about the things here. If you see in the chart, and then you wanted to know what direction the market's gonna move. If you can see over here, it's like a quite choppy area in the market. You can see in 15-minute chart, and if you take in a 30 minutes, is trending downwards. But if there is some rejection from the down, you can see there's going to be definitely a diversion. Always keep in mind, friends, the diversion is very important in the forex market, even in the stocks. Whatever trades you pair, whatever pairs you trade, and whatever stock you trade with it, keep the diversion in your mind, and they're going to be a very helpful for your trade direction. So today's strategy, I'm gonna bring it with a little bit diversion in a small time frame, and then you can apply on the bigger time frame as well for long-term trades. Okay, and it's very easy to spot the diversion. I'm going to show you how to spot the diversion and the continuation in the market. Keep in mind that's very important thing, the continuation. Most people see the big problem in our trading, I've noticed, and I've been doing this mistake a lot before, quite long time back. If you see in the market, wherever we see the market, we think the market came all the way from here down there, yeah, and now we are thinking the market's gonna go, it's already very down level, and then we're gonna trade, and it's gonna reversal and we take money. It's not like that. If you see, the market came from this level here, okay, and it's back down this level here, and then we were thinking the market will really up back. No, it's came back more further down here, and then you draw down and you lose your money. So what happens, don't ever think the market always gonna reversal wherever you want and you can make money in this. No, it's not like that. Today I'm gonna show you the trend continuation and the reversal diversion, how the market get reversed, and then we're going to apply our strategy and our indicators, and which can help you a lot improve your trading strategy or trading lifestyle, or I'm sure about that, you're gonna consistently make money. So we're gonna apply these things on our chart, and then we will see, we'll just as a practice or as a trail, we will try to put the trade as well. So how it's gonna work, let's see. So let's get to the strategy now. There we have the chart for euro USD, or you can just click any pair anywhere you want. You can just click it and you can start, and you can apply these indicators on your chart. So first thing we have to do, let me bring this down a little bit so I can, okay, the first thing what we have to do is we have to go to the indicators, okay, which is a very important thing. The first thing you need to know about your short-term trend or long-term trend. For those two things, what we need to do is click on the main chart indicator, okay, just click on the moving average. The first moving average you have to set on 22 period, okay, 22 period is the first moving average. Then put it on the method exponential, and the shift should be 0, and then apply on the close, okay, and 2 pixel, 3 pixel, whatever your favorite color, you can just click and choose from here, and done. Okay, so we have this red line, as you can see on my chart, it's appear already on my chart here, you can see, okay. That's a very important thing. And then again you have to go, keep in mind, watch the full video, then you will know the points in this strategy. Okay, definitely if you find the value in my system, in my strategy, you definitely gonna help me out to subscribe my channel and leave like to show your support. And you can leave some comments, then I can help to more improve the strategy for you guys. Okay, so make sure watch full videos, and then you're gonna learn very easily how to make money in the forex. Okay, and yeah, the risk management is another thing that's everybody should know about this one. The risk management is a very important thing. Okay, if you follow the risk management, then you make a lot of money, and I'm going to show you one trick on that one too. Okay, okay, so this is the first indicator. Then again go back to this indicator, main chart, and then again the moving average, but this time you have to put the moving average 50. Here should be simple, and the method should be simple, shift 0 and apply on close. Color, any color you like, you can apply on it. I just apply on green, so it's helped me out to crossing. I can see visible crossing red green, you know, so that's how it's very easy to spot it. Okay, let's just done. Okay, there you see now. You heard and you saw this strategy in my previous video as well, like the crossing over strategy on the 50, 22, 20. Okay, it's, you saw that one. Okay, so I'm gonna use these things to this strategy with some new indicators which can help you a lot to take the right direction of the market. Okay, now this is the first thing you put on the main chart. Now another thing, as you know, yeah, just simple. I'm gonna say like, okay, it's crossed down here, and then you sell the market, and then you cross down up, and then you buy the market. It does look very easy. You can see it's crossed down here, and then you sell the market. But you sell the market, and after some time, some consolidation area, the market crossed back up, and you think it's gonna go down, and it's try to go up like that. Okay, so don't think that, don't keep that things in the mind. The cross done, and then you buy. The cross done, and then you sell, and then you make money. No. There are some few things you have to keep in mind, the confirmation and the trend direction as well. So I'm going to show you all these things in this video. Okay, take a look now here. We're going to go again to the indicator data, indicator list, and here we need to open the stochastic. You can see the stochastic here. Yeah, we just click the stochastic. Okay, here you have to keep the screenshot with you. Okay, keep in mind, take the screenshot with you. Then if you want to read again and again, the indicator you want to set up again, you can do it. So put the stochastic on 80. Okay, okay, this was my secret strategy which I'm going to explain to you guys today, and I decided why not should other people take the help from this. So this is the 81, the K period, D period 3, and the slowing 4, low and high, simple. Okay, and the color which I use, you better use the same one, so it's going to be very visible for you guys. Okay, and done. So once you done this one, then it will be appear on your chart something like this. I have already set these things up here. Let me just show you. Okay, just wait guys, sorry. It's over here. I just set these things up again here. Then for the rest of things we need to you can see the red and orange color line here, the stochastic. Yeah, it's gonna show you similar like this. And then again we're gonna show something different. We add some more indicators. We're gonna go back here to indicator data window 1, and then we're gonna take the moving average again. Here's the moving average, and you put the moving average here as you can see in my indicator list. Okay, the 50 simple. Okay, this one, and you should apply the 51 0 shift and simple first indicator data, and then pixel and the same green color, but here you should apply on the first indicator data. Don't forget this one, brothers and sisters. You better should apply this one on the first indicator data. Okay, and done. So once you're done, then you're gonna go back again. You see the green line over here down, you can see that down here in the oscillator area, you can see here the green one. Okay, then we're gonna go back here and we put again another indicator, which is again the moving average. You apply on 22 the same exponential, zero shift, first indicator data, apply on the first indicator data, red color, and then done. So there you can see another moving average here, which shows, okay, what is it shows? It shows the moving average exponential, and the apply on the first indicator data. It's mean it's apply on the stochastic indicator data. These two moving average is not working on their own period time. It's working on their the stochastic K period and D period deviation. It's working, so you can see, and it will be working under the stochastic, okay, rules. Okay, so we apply this one. The last thing you need to put it here, you need to put on your chart, fix on your chart, which you can see the red and green lines here, and that's everybody knows the most the awesome oscillator. You can see, bring it back into indicator data, and you apply this one over here down here. So when you apply this one, then you can done, nothing to change in that one. There's nothing to change, any just a color. If you want, you can change it. Okay, so just apply that one and you see, boom, on your chart. Okay, now this is the complete setup for our chart, and then we take the trades. It depends what time frame you're using, the long time frame, the short time frame, it depends. But I'm gonna start it from the very small and short time frame, like 5 minutes or 1 minute. Then you can apply on the bigger time frame as well. It depends on your account. If you have a big account, and your account can support or not affect on your account the trade, like going back up and coming down, the pullbacks, you know, the pullbacks, all these things. Okay, as you can see, the consolidation, it's not affect on your account, so you can play with the big account as well. But those friends who has a small accounts like $100, $200, okay, even the $50 account, okay, so they better trade with this strategy for a time being until their account grow up. Yeah, they can, for the time being, they can just apply on a 1 minute chart or 5 minute chart. Okay, so not only this one, you can just go to any of pairs. Even the gold is going to be a little bit difficult to trade with it. You can do it, but you need to have a little bit good account, because the gold always go off for the stop loss hunt, you know. So what you have to do is just choose any other pairs, the pairs you like to trade with it. Try to make try to trade with the always the very popular trades, very volatile trades as well, so you can take the trades in that one too. As you can see, let me just explain from any in the last. Okay, from here, from the last. Okay, this is the thing I'm going to tell you. The first thing first, you have to know if the trade is on the upward move or downward move. So you just take a look 15 minute. Okay, the first thing you need to just look the 15 minute. If you see the 15 minute crossover happen to the upwards direction here, upwards direction from this area, as you can see, and the market is trending to the upside, you can see it's a bullish trend now from here. Okay, it's a bullish in 15 minutes. So what you have to do is you need to find the area, you need to find a spot where it helps you to take the trade easily with these direct indicators, crossing systems. Okay, so let's see from here. Now we are in 5 minute chart. Okay, there we have the crossing to the downside, the red cross to the green to the downwards, you can see, and the trades keep going down. But there is a thing, you can see a small pullbacks happens here. The small pullbacks happens here because the area, it's a consolidation area. If you look in the back, there must be the support and resistance area. So in this area, the market always start like this kind of situation. So what we have to do is, it's crossed down already. Take a look down in oscillator area. If you can see, I'm pointing down to this green moving averages. So from this crossing, it's already done happen, and from this crossing you can see the green already crossed the red one, and the stochastic is below the red even, yeah. So that's mean from here the market taking a downwards momentum, the downwards you can see, and it's keep going down. So until it's go cross back in the oscillator area, you can see the oscillator area. From the oscillator area until it cross back at this point, if you see, I'm just pointing you like that in this point, okay. So it's crossing back upwards, so you have to get alert, you have to get alert that market slightly or likely to take a reverse, okay. But before you see this crossing over here down, okay, in this area, when you see this crossing back to the upside, before this crossing, remember I told you about the diversion, before this crossing you just have to look back a little bit over here, the oscillator, if you see the market, it shows, let me just point everything clear so you don't get any problems or any things to face like a previous video the people was asking. Take a look the oscillator and the price. So the price making a lower low, you got it, that's before this crossing. You have to, when its cross happens, you have to look at back the price is showing lower low. And then if you see the oscillator is gonna show you from here the green line, the green and red line, the oscillator, you can see it shows the higher high. You see it's a higher high, okay. So when it shows, oh sorry, it's a lower high, okay, it shows the lower high and lower low, the price show lower low and this oscillator shows lower high. So that's mean there is a diversion, the market will likely to reverse back. So the cross happened here and you already know one cross here happened, and then the another cross happened on your main chart. So this is the time, right time to buy position. When you take the position from here, your stop loss definitely it's going to be below the swing low, the previous, and then you ride on this market, you can see, okay. But now there's one more important things I have to tell you. Whenever you see the crossing happens, the stochastic crossing the moving average, which is 22, the red one, when it's crossing back up here. So if you see in this area and look into the market to the upside here, from this area the market will take upwards momentum. So you can use this crossing for the scalping, but keep in mind that scalping is going to be for a very short time, because the green 50 is above, the 22 is below. So that's mean the market will take reverse back. So take a look here, it went up, and if you're in this area you want to sell the market, so wait for the stochastic to cross the red again back. So when it cross back again, so here again you can take few candles, okay, a few pips and take profit. But once it cross here, then you look for that system which is the lower high and lower low diversion, and cross happens here, the stochastic already crossed the red one at this point, and then the cross happen here. So you don't have to worry, take the trade from here and just take a ride, okay. There you can see, okay. Now again the situation, one more thing, let me explain you very clearly. This video is going to be a little bit longer, but guys don't mind I need to explain properly all the things, and whenever you apply this strategy on your demo account or even in the real account you can try, don't worry about it, but keep these points only in your mind, keep these things only in your mind, that you don't get trapped, you don't get wrong direction. So always trade patiently and risk management, keep that things in the mind. So here if you see in this area, the market is already on the top level, went up to the top, so we're thinking the market will likely reverse now. No, it's like happening now, as you can see it's happening now. But if you see the red one and the green one, the 50 and 22, it's already in our bought area, you see, above the 80 level. So you don't take these trades, okay, don't take these trades, okay. It's above the 50, so what above the 80, what happens here, in this situation the market will keep going up and up, keep going up and up, little pullback and keep going up and up. Keep these things only in the mind, then you never lose money and you'll be very patiently and consistently make money. Okay, so this is the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what's happening in the 15-minute time frame, so we will know where the market is going to heading towards. Okay, take a look in 15 minutes. Take a look here. There's already a very big gap between this 22 and 50 moving average, but do we have any diversion in the market? Yeah, do we have any diversion? Now there's another story came up. We don't have diversion in this small area, not really visible diversion, so it's going to be very risky to take the trade to the downwards. So what happens, the green and red is not crossed yet on each other, as you can see over here. And then another thing, if you see, this is the higher low, okay, but take a look, the market is also a higher low, so this is not the reversal diversion. Now the thing is here, there is the diversion, but that we people cannot see easily. That's what we call the continuation diversion. If you see the continuation diversion, keep in mind, brothers and sisters, nobody tell you about this fact and this thing. Let me show you trend line. Here is the, yeah, okay, but then if you see in somehow in the stochastic oscillator is gonna show you, sorry guys, almost the same level but a little bit lower high. So that's mean it's a continuation. The market will continuously going downwards, the market will continuously going to reverse downwards. So these things you have to keep in the mind so you don't lose the money in the market. And take a look, very easy. Yeah, the market reached back to what level? The market reached back to the supply area almost here, yeah, but didn't break out this level. So that's mean, and the stochastic is already on the top level. So what happened, this market is gonna likely to reverse. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the 1 minute, and we see here already crossed the market to the downwards. So the market start keep going down and down and down, yeah. But now there's again the things I'm going to tell you. If you see the stochastic is down here, oversold area, and here again down, oversold area, the market is lower low. So it might take a little bit pullback like as did it already, or maybe it takes a little bit more pullback to this level, but the market will start keep going down. Okay, so that's how you can trade the market with these indicators. Whenever you see, take a look here, don't take the trade with this cross, excuse me, don't take the trade with this crossover. This crossover happened, okay, one confirmation, good. Another already cross it over here, good confirmation. Look into the stochastic below the 20, it just pulled back but it's below the 20. Okay, in this area you are already cross happened, take the trade for sell, scalping, take it, you can make money. Okay, then again, if you see, this is a little bit very short one because the market is downtrending. Here it cross here, you can see in this area and in this area the crossover happen with the stochastic and this thing, so the market definitely take move up. Okay, you can scalp. Okay, and then again it cross here, and if you see the stochastic cross the red one, that's the first signal. Keep in mind, I'm gonna tell the stochastic is the signal line. So the stochastic is the signal line, the signal line cross again the red one, and the market boom is dropped down. You understand? So that's how you apply this strategy on your demo account or on the real. No worries, nothing to worry about it. Okay, so we do have it's the video is going to get more longer and longer. I was thinking to take a trade in front of you guys, then you believe how this market, how this cross. See, okay, look at this condition now. Here is the market, okay, and here is the cross happened between the green and the red one, and the red already, the signal line already crossed the red moving average, but here doesn't cross the market yet. You can see on the top in the main chart the market doesn't cross yet here, so it's a kind of risky. But if we see over here, there's a diversion. Take a look, here is the oscillator is up, here is oscillator is a down, here is the market is up, but here's the market is more higher high, so that's mean there's a diversion. So it could be drop down, but if you see in 15-minute, the market's already trending to the very overbought zone area, and if it's keep going in overbought zone area, then we're going to lose money. So we're going to see another fact here, the market is a higher low, and the stochastic already went very high level. So if you take this trade, I'm sure it's going to be a very winning trade. Okay, so let's just try for you guys. If I'm gonna trade it for like a little, for like a show you the risk management as well. So in 5, okay, so we trade it sale. Okay, that's it. I put the sale trade now here. So let's see how the market react with our indicator and things, so you will know very easily which way the market is going. I just placed the trade in front of you guys, and if you believe this strategy is a very successful and workable for you guys, and you do practice with it, okay, once you practice with your strategy, then yeah, definitely that's going to help you a lot. But make sure before leave the video, please subscribe the channels and leave thumbs up, likes to show us your support, and hopefully see you with the new strategy. Okay, and definitely there's a trade I just placed it. It's going to take time, but I don't want to make this video more longer. As you can see, I'm running in this profit now, loss now. It's in as I already explained, this is the area where it doesn't cross it, but I just wanted to place the trade in front of you guys how it's gonna behave with this one. Okay, hope you enjoy the video and hope you like something from here. And if you want to keep this in your observation, the Euro JPY 5-minute chart, and you can keep watch this trade where this trade is gonna heading worse to, and the stop loss is definitely it's gonna be above this swing high. You can see here is the stop loss. Most brothers and sisters ask about where we can place our stop loss, so this is the place where you can place your stop loss here, and you can ride on this trade. Okay, so watch this trade, keep in observation, and then do let me know in your comments, and hopefully it's gonna winning, because it's not crossed yet here. So then you're gonna say, oh, the strategy doesn't work, but it worked 100 and yeah 99%. I'm gonna say yeah, it's a market, so cannot say anything about the news and some yeah different false move or something. But this market is going to be, hopefully it's going to go down, and you're going to like my video and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you again with the new strategy and yeah, new perfect money miner system. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Take care of yourself.